In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinterest to Notion. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate both platforms, allowing you to enhance your productivity and keep your favorite Pinterest content right at your fingertips within Notion. So, let's dive right in. First, let's head over to your connected workspace for Notion. You can do this by simply navigating to the Notion website. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and click on the Login button to enter your credentials and access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage, which serves as your central hub for all things related to your documents, wikis, and projects. From here, you'll want to select the specific page where you'd like to embed your Pinterest content. Click on the designated page to open it. This is where we'll be placing the Pinterest link. Now that you're on your chosen page, it's time to bring Pinterest into the mix. To do this, type in the command embed directly into the Notion page. This command is Notion's way of allowing you to integrate external content, which in this case is going to be from Pinterest. What you'll need next is the link from your desired Pinterest board or pin. Copy the URL from Pinterest and then go back to Notion. Once you have the Pash Embed box open, paste the Pinterest link directly into it and hit enter. Notion will work its magic and embed the Pinterest content right into your page. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added Pinterest to your Notion workspace. Now, anytime you want to revisit your saved Pinterest ideas, strategies, or inspirations, you can do so without needing to leave Notion. It's as easy as switching between pages in the app. Remember, this integration doesn't just add convenience, it also enhances how you organize your digital life. Whether you're using it for personal projects, business endeavors, or just keeping track of inspiration, seamlessly embedding Pinterest into Notion allows you to maintain a fluid workflow, reducing the clutter of switching between different apps and browsers. We hope this guide helps you take full advantage of combining Notion's organizational strength with Pinterest's visual inspiration. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other tech tips that can help you streamline your digital workspace even further. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!